Hey everyone, this is Dan at Performance Motorworks. One of the benefits of partnering with us on the maintenance of your vehicle, besides the fact that we have highly trained technicians who are super knowledgeable and a really nice friendly staff, we also use a software platform called Shopware, which basically allows us to communicate with you anywhere in the world. In addition to just talking on the phone like what you're probably traditionally used to, we can text or email you a link, and in that link you can open it up. There will be pictures of any potential defects we may have found on your car, explanations, and just a simple button to either approve or decline the repairs. Super easy. One thing that you'll want to be aware of is that on the right hand side, after clicking approve, you're going to want to scroll down and accept the terms and conditions. And then if you're on a phone or an iPad or some kind of tablet, you can use your finger just to leave your signature there. If you're on a computer, you can use your mouse if it's not a touchscreen computer. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty amazing. So if you're busy, if you're in a meeting, or if you're home and the kids are noisy and you just don't want to get on the phone, it's just super convenient. Another added benefit, if you do have a question, there is a chat button right on there that you can click and you can start a chat with one of us immediately. So that way if you do have any questions, we can walk you through it. And again, don't be afraid to pick up the phone and talk to us. We're always here for you. We want to communicate with you how you want to be communicated with. So thank you so much. If you need anything at all, give us a call, 916-624-9656, or reach us online at pmwonline.com. Thanks.